Okay, let's get into this one straight away. Wonderful for breakfast or any time of the day actually. So we're going to do a papaya smoothie. So I've got some chopped, nice, beautiful, ripe papaya. If you don't know about papaya, it comes like that. I mean, they're different colour ones, are different sizes, but you need to get all of those black seeds out. Very easy, just scoop them out and you're done. And then we've got some wonderful papaya. I've got some banana. The banana is the binder. If you don't use something like banana, it kind of can separate. So the banana always kind of really works. There's some plain yogurt or curd. I've got some ice there. And I'm going to put in some pepper. This is usually you just put in some black pepper. This is actually a little medley of black and white pepper. Actually really delicious. Give it a go. So simply, we're going to get everything in the blender and whiz it up. Okay, let's start by dropping in some ice. We'll get in that banana. A papaya. Just want to get this yogurt in, some yogurt in there. Now you can really play around with the amounts. And then we're going to go for the pepper. Sounds strange, but it's really delicious in this. A little bit like strawberries. I don't know if you've ever had strawberries with black pepper. Like just get a strawberry, dip it in black pepper and eat it. It is really delicious. Sounds odd, but yeah, really good. And I find it works really well in this one as well. Okay, onto the machine, whiz it up for about 1 minute. Okay, and that's done. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That black pepper is really going to work in there. Let's give that a little taste. Amazing. Give that a go. See you later.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?